Belle, and today we are here with OrangeTee entire Asia divisions at Bellewoods because we have a new listing to show you. This is a 1,259 square feet 4-bedroom premium unit located on a high floor with direct north-south facing where you would feel the cool breeze all year round. The open concept living and dining areas are integrated, offering freedom and flexibility of spaces. The owner has also added a full panel mirror at the dining area to amplify the spaciousness and brightness of the house. The good-sized balcony area has a direct view of the pool and can easily fit in an extra table to host your guests or enjoy some me time. Now for the kitchen spaces, the developers designed an enclosed kitchen area with a see-through glass so that it enlarges the kitchen area and at the same time keeps the fumes away from your living hall. The L-shaped kitchen fitments also provide you with ample storage space that is efficiently designed and fully functional. The utility room is also ideally located within the kitchen area for your storage needs. And now, let's check out the room. Now on my left, there are two common bedrooms that are identical in size. They are facing the pool view and at the same time can fit in a queen-size bed as well as a double-door wardrobe. Now on my right, the owners have converted the fourth bedroom into a nice and cozy workspace for your online meetings. And right beside the fourth bedroom is the bathroom. Let's check it out. And now to the most important part for buyers is the master bedroom. Let's check it out. Now this master bedroom also comes with a well-thought design huge wardrobe space that is right beside the toilet, and you can also add a door right here to create a walk-in wardrobe. The huge bedroom space can allow a king-size bed with extra spaces on the sides. And also the huge bedroom comes with a balcony that oversees the unblocking view of the greenery. Bellewoods is located along Woodlands Avenue 5 and it is the newest resale executive condominium plot for sales in this area, and it's also well connected by 3 north-south lines, mainly Woodlands, Admiralty and Woodlands South Station. Kindly contact our salesperson, Mr. Sean Ng of OrangeTee entire AAG division at 8300-3838 for your next exclusive viewing.